Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable Messenger chat head or just how to get chat heads on Messenger. So first of all, and of course, you will need the Messenger application on your phone. It's simply by go and download it through Play Store if you have an Android or App Store if you have an iPhone. Then all you need to do is just go and sign in to create your account. But if you do have an account, just ignore all of that, look into your account, and let's get straight to it. So first of all, let's just launch Messenger. And all we need to do, just click at our profile at the top left corner. So if I click on that, as you can see here, we will not have any option that can let us enable our chat head. So just go back here and go to any chat that you want. Then click at the I button at the top right corner. Then click again on the three dots at the top right corner. So as you can see here, we have open chat head. So if you click on that, as you can see here, we will have the chat head wherever we want. Let's just go back. If you want to move it whenever you want, just move it. If you want to remove it, just sorry because I remove it without showing you, just go click back and click at open chat head. If you want, just go back here. If you want to remove it, just go and put it at this X down here. So if you put it there, it will turn off immediately, and if you want to turn it back on, just go here and click at open chat head. So if you want to use this as a group as well, you can do that by clicking at the same eye option at the top right corner and click at the three dots at the top right corner and click at the same option, which is open chat head. So here you can use Messenger while doing other stuff. So if you go back here, let's maybe go to our Instagram or do whatever we want. As you can see, it will stay there. Even if we do whatever we want, it will stay there forever until we remove it by doing this. So that is for this video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.